Prabhupada says this, basically the same. Surrounded by hundreds of gopis and decorated with a flower garland of many colors, Krishna wanders within the Vrindavan forest, sometimes singing to himself and sometimes singing with the gopis. So we can see what Jiva Goswami's commentary is on this. He says, with the appearance of the great beauty, Krishna wanders about the forest with the intention of going to the banks of the Yamuna. And while he's wandering, he's enjoying intimately with the gopis and stimulating their love for the gopis by showing them the flowers and singing. So while Krishna is walking along, he's exciting the gopis and stimulating their love by singing love songs to them. At least that's what one would think. But he's actually, indirectly he's doing that, which will be revealed. Krishna sings, it's about his singing because it says upagiyamanat udgayan. So this is both these words, giya and gayan, like Gita, means singing. Upa means loudly. Upagiyamanat udgayan. They were singing, he was singing. So Krishna, what was he singing? Was he singing love songs? Well, indirectly. He was singing loudly in joy about the moon. Then the gopis sang in return. The gopis used imitative songs, which although praise, in other words, they sang similar songs praising the moon. Krishna praised the moon, so the gopis praised the moon, but they twisted in a different way to indicate praising Krishna Chandra, Sham Chandra. Very clever, as they are, because they're expert.